Okay, roll the intro, please.
Random rocket, da random rocket, disco dance. Oh, I turn a ball from a ball. Yo, hi. Okay, intro's over. Hey guys, it's Random Rocket with a new video. See, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to animate on your phone for free, and it's a tutorial. So yeah, guys, let's proceed into the steps. Yeah. So hi guys, Random Rocket over here. So let's start doing it. So first, you're gonna go into Play Store, and you're gonna have this interface, obvious. So then we're going to go into the search thingy. You're going to search Flipper Clip. Yeah, we're going to search Flipper Clip, and then you will see this app, Flipper Clip Cartoon Animation and Creator Studio. You'll have this interface. Yeah, Creator and Art Studio. This is the name of the app. So yeah, this is all places. So it's gonna look like this, Flipper Clip. Its name is Flipper Clip. So I've already installed it. You have to install it. So let's open it. I've opened it. Oh, here's some cool animation someone made. It's so difficult. And yeah, even my intro is made in this app, and some of my animations. So let's just name something. You can name your animation. I'll name it example. So let's name it example. So yeah, okay, let's see. You can choose your own background. You have the option. I guess I'll just stick to the default background. You can set your frames. You have to set the frames per second. Like how many frames, how many drawings does it take to say for 1 second? So that's what frames per second. So let's see, what do I take? Let's take 7. No. I'll take 7. Okay, let's save. The project is created, as you can see. So first let's just look at the pen. So the interface will be kind of like this. You can choose other things, but first I'll explain the pen. So you can just adjust the width of the thing, of the pen. You can adjust the width and all. So here I'm drawing this is the default one, and this is the light one, and let's just do more dark. Yeah, so more width. Yeah. So this you can just do full down size. This is just an example animation, just showing you. So yeah, this is how you draw. And you can choose colors too. Wow, that's amazing. You can choose your own color, whatever color you want. You can change the opacity and blah blah. You see the red color. I'll just increase the width. Yeah. So it's like this. Yeah, then now let's go. Oh, you can change. I changed into pencil. Yeah, I remember that. You can change the color of the pencil too. You can use a highlighter if you want. You can use even a paintbrush. Actually, you can use all of these tools, which is very helpful, of course. You can do all of these things in this Flipper Clip app. Yeah, guys, this is possible, and you have to download this app. It's amazing. It's for people like me. Yeah. Let's just change that back to black. Put it into normal brightness because I like the normal ones. Yeah, you can have this eraser which erases everything. You can even change the size of that too. Like if you just erase everything at once, go ahead. But if you just want to erase a small part and suddenly it erases a big part, you can just make it small. Yeah, you can zoom in and make it small, and you can erase only the part you want to erase. It won't erase the complete thing. And you can change the opacity or whatever you call it to the percentages, whatever you want. So that's the thing. This is the eraser, guys. You can change everything. Now, whoa, let's just clear that out. Yeah. Now let's put it in normal. Now let's see the lasso tool. You might be wondering, what is this? Yeah. First I was also thinking, what is this? Yeah. First, I'll just do an example thing. Yeah. Where's my phone lagging? Oh yeah. But I'll just do simply I will draw something, blah blah. Yeah, see, I just draw some ball or something. Now I use the lasso tool. You can cut the thing in half. Seriously, you can cut it however you want. Yeah, that's actually very very helpful. And you can change the size and mirror it, of course. Yeah. So this is very helpful. This is a very helpful tool. Let me just erase that quickly. Well, I'll make it bigger because I want to erase it completely. So that's the lasso tool, guys. Now I'll show you the bucket tool. Yeah, I think it's called a bucket tool, whatever tool. You can change the color. The thing, have your fun animating your awesome animation. Wow! You can just put it inside of the ball. You know that's basic things. I guess you heard it in somewhere. Blah blah blah. Okay, guys, let's just erase that quickly. Oh, this is taking up so much time fast. Yeah, I've erased it. Okay, guys, now it's blank. So you can see this text option. You can just type whatever you want. Blah blah blah. I'm just going to take Now you can place it however you want. You can increase and decrease the size, and you can there are two options too. You can change the color whatever you want. Yeah. You can change the fonts too, which is amazing. Yeah. Whatever. You can change the font to whatever you like. I like this one. Yeah, simply I just do that for no reason. You can do that. Blah blah. And I forgot to tell this in the pen thing. This scale thing icon, you can just use that to make clear circles, squares or lines. Yeah, that's very very helpful actually, because you can with your finger it's very hard to do a straight line or do a correct circle. That's very helpful. So now I'm going to just explain that zoom and zoom in option. See, you can zoom in. That's very helpful. With your two fingers, you have to zoom in. If you do it one finger, you can just draw or erase or whatever tool you're holding. But you have to hold your two fingers, so you can zoom in and zoom out. But sometimes you can just put it normally, which is very kind of frustrating. You can click the button in the top right, which looks like 4 arrows. Yeah, so that's the trick, guys. So you can zoom out properly, and you don't have. And there's this option in the window thing. You can just tap on that, double tap or something. No, long press. Then you can delete or do whatever. You can add, and you can, you can add the below thing and all. You can delete it. You can do whatever you want. You can, like in the middle, you forgot a frame or something. You can just add it in the middle like before. So that's very good to know. Yeah, so now we'll just do an example animation. I'm doing a bouncing ball, which is like one of the easiest animations. You can do it fast. Yeah, this is the ball. I'll put the color weight. That's now I don't think it looks good, but afterwards it'll look good. It's okay. Now I'll just fill in the colors. Yeah. Okay. Now done. I'll just play it once. Wait. I'll just play it. Wow, that's the animation, guys. You can see. So this is how you animate an animation on your phone for free using FlipperClip, the app I mentioned. Yeah, guys, that's amazing. You can make amazing animations. Yo, thank you for watching this amazing video made by me, Random Rocket. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Like to this video. Check out my other videos and turn the notifications on if you subscribe, because it will help you know if there's a new video. Comment on the video. Bye. Oh, and I forgot. Wear a mask when you go outside. Stay safe. Bye, guys.